Hello guys and welcome to the free moon door. Now as you know I've been doing the video about door number 3, door number 2, door number 1. I've just showed you how to animate door number 2, which is very easy, very simple. This is door number 2. Door number 1 is not animated, so go here. Select all that. I want to show you exactly how to do it. Go here, go on the internet, download my file, go to import, look down the menu, go to Glyph 2, import that. Go to your download, you're going to find file 1, file 2. Go to number 1, import it, you should have a one little ring on it. Go play, it don't play because there's no animation on it. Go here, everything in my world, in Emma's world, is proper easy, proper simple to learn. And I talk from everything from colour to animation to sound, and eventually at some point to game script. So leave it where it is. When it comes in like this, I'll show you. Let me just delete it and I want to show you exactly how to do it. So as I said, I want to make sure you understand. Select all that. I want to make sure that I want to make sure that when you import it, that you don't do nothing. So go here, import, glyph, go to the file that you want to import it, leave it. When you import it, if you look at Blender, Blender likes to put it in quantum. Go to quantum, and you want to put X, Y, and Z. Change it. See how it all goes to 0. Okay. If it's not at 0, or to make sure it's on X, Y, and Z, just temporarily. Go here, apply all transforms. That's set everything to default. You don't have to do nothing else. Other than set your yellow dot down there on the floor. We have to move it from point A to point B so we can actually animate the door. So to do that, all we have to do is open this part up if you want to. We have to hide the door frame, click off it. Go to the door frame, click this, hide the door frame. Click the door, go here, edit. Zoom into the door. Turn it around a little bit, go here, points. Click that little point right there in the middle of the door, click that. So when you click on the point, because my door is dark, you can't really see it, but if I go over here for you, and I can turn my colour off so you can actually see it. So turn the colour off, so turn the colour off, you go here. Turn it back on, you go here. Okay, show textures, it's here. We want this one here. So anyway, just go to the dot, click that, right click. Because what we want to do, we want to get that little target thing down there, this thing here, look. Don't try and move it manually. We want that up here. So right click, go snap, vertex, cursor to active, say yeah, it jumps from there to there. Now of course we need to make that little yellow jump from there to there. How do we do that? We have to come back out, which sounds kind of crazy. Go to object, go to set origin. Come here, origin to cursor. Say yep, and now the little yellow dot jumps from there to there like magic. Perfect. Now of course I can go back in and I can turn back on my textures because I want to look at the door like this. Of course, drag it down like this. Now, of course, what you want to do, all you have to do is animate the door. So you can turn your door frame back on. Now, what I like to do when I animate my door, I like to go to top view, and I can't see it because I can't actually see the door. I just press this one so I can actually see my door. That's what I do. So you can turn this one on if you want to. You don't have to, but I recommend turning it on so you can actually see the door. And it's easier to work from the top than the bottom. My door only opens in one direction because if you look at my door, I've got a lip around it. So to see the doors on this side, so it opens this way. Okay, very easy. Right click, go over here first, press this. Okay. Now, what's supposed to happen? You're supposed to have a little thing on here. See here? There should be a thing on here so you can actually see. See here, look. Now my cursor is here. Now the reason why you can't see it, if this happens, the only reason why it happens for is because you haven't pressed the door. Just click on the door. Okay, go back to top view. Okay. As I said, go back into this mode so you can see through your door. Right click, don't touch the door, go here, insert, leave it. Now if you notice I'll put it on frame 2, I think right click, delete that, push it back to frame 1, okay, about frame 1 you want it there, go back, and obviously I'm going to show you how to do it, insert keyframe. Now if you go along here, go back 60 seconds, once you move 60 seconds, open the door, roughly where you want it. All my doors open to about roughly about there somewhere. So about there, just where that line is, right click, insert animation, go over here, change the timeline to 60, that will shorten this grey part, like that. Now of course, that's all we have to do for the door. Go back, look at the door, and now if you play the animation, you say, oh, how easy was that? That's proper easy. You can't get any easier than that, I don't think. If you find an easier way, let me know how to do it. So anyway, all you have to do now is go here, come down to the object. Now you notice I'm not selecting nothing. You can if you want to. Some people say, oh yeah, you have to open this and open this and open this and open this and open that and select all that. Yeah, you can do if you want to really go ahead and do all that. Well, yeah, I'm not doing that. So as I said, I've shown you how to change it to glass in the last videos. So just watch it, go here, go export, export Collada, go back to downloads, find door, then you see this door here, we want this door, but I don't want that name on it. So I want door number 1. So I want door 1, number 3. Go here, 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 and here. Okay. Skip that, go here, do that, go here, do that, that, and then save it. But before I save it, I'm going to copy the name, just so I can export it in a moment. So we're going to leave it like that, and we're going to export it. It's actually done. So that's what I want to do. So what I'm going to do is go back here. I want to export it as a GLIF file for the internet, so I can actually make it available for you. Go here. This is the name of the door. If you want to copyright it to yourself, you can put it here. To do that, obviously just copy and paste the name, put it in there. I want to go to the sheet, I want to go to downloads, copy the name, go here, and paste it right into there. So it's copyrighted to Bubble Box. Go here. Not the copyright don't mean nothing. It doesn't mean that obviously I'm just the owner of it. So I'm making it available free. Go here, export it, and now I can go here, right click, and delete everything. I can re-import my Collada, making sure my Collada works. Now, if you import it and it doesn't come in like this, look, don't worry about it. Press undo. Okay, now you see your door here. I'm just showing you that obviously that it always tests your animation beforehand. So in animation, the animation works great. So what I want to do, go here, select all this, go back to here, export, export Collada. As I said, you don't have to do this, but sometimes it's good to do this. So it's a good practice to kind of do this. So go here, delete. That's it. Sometimes Blender will say, if you don't select it, sometimes Blender will say, what, go here, go right click and delete it. Go back to here. As I said, it's always good to test your geometry. Go back to import, import it. Make sure that the actual door works. And to make sure the door works, move the door to a different location and play it. If everything stays together, it doesn't matter if it's over there. Okay, now as I said, it doesn't matter where you put the item in the game world. The door itself should work. Okay, delete that. Okay, that's pretty great. Of course, I want to be able to open my downloads. It should be in here somewhere. If I can click on it. If I go in here, look down here, kitchen number 3. So we're going to open it Windows 3D Viewer, which is absolutely great, by the way. So if you're a young kid and you're on Windows 10 and you have permission from your parents, from anybody, whoever they are, click on the Windows 10, type in 3D Viewer. When this opens, go here, go into Microsoft Library. It's Microsoft Library, it's great. When you go in there, you got a big pile of items. You can just click the item, download it, and put it inside your screen. You can look at it, bend it, twist it, shape it. You can go over here and you can go save the model. And you can save it in your downloads if you want to. Then that way, if you ever want to go and play around with it, you can do. Anyway, that's Microsoft Assets, and this is my asset. My assets are absolutely free of charge, as you can see. It's absolutely 110% perfect. So apart from the color. So cool, we can play the animation. The animation is on the keyframe. All my animations are 60 seconds. So it takes 60 seconds for a door to open, because when you're being chased by some big, hairy, scary monster, and you don't want to be running to the door and then find out the door doesn't open. of course it takes 60 seconds, so hopefully you can get in the door before the monster comes. Yeah, anyway, as I said, I've got 3 different doors. I've got door 1, 2 and 3. If you want to, hit the link under the video and download the link. So I'll just show you all of the actual geometry things. So let me just click this up for you. If I take door number 1, so that's this one here, copy this. I'm going to copy this here. I want to go into my file, into where I make it, into here, into here. These are just basically my little videos. So go, yeah, copy and paste it. So paste it in here. So now we've got door 1, door 2, door 3. Just to give you a kind of a little look at everything that's working. So door 1, absolutely perfect. Just do the tiles. As I said, I've got the video for it, so I'll show you how to do it. This is door number 2, and you can see now it's got 2 dots on it. I'm thinking, pretty great. And then of course I combined all 3 dots. Of course, wireframe, look at it. Full box, it's great. Go back to here, and this is door number 3. I'm thinking, wow. So as I said, if I'm going to make an object, I want to give you everything from sound, animation, and everything else. So hang on a minute, I can't hear no sound. Yeah, I don't have a door sound yet. So yeah, I'm working on it. So yeah, I'll need to get a kind of a sound of it all. So yeah, I'm trying to find a really nice sound. That's what I'm trying to find. Like a proper creaky door, or a creaky drawer. It doesn't matter, whichever. So I think that's what I'm looking for. So anyway, if you know of any websites or anything like that I can kind of get some free sounds from, and they're going to be absolutely 100% free sounds, that would be great. But I don't know any really. I've done a Google search. I've seen a few animations, a few sounds, but it's not free. So the copyright is some which way or another. Anyway, if you want any of the 3 doors, hit the link under the video, onto this video, and because this video is showing you door 3, door 2, and door 1, you got all 3 links onto the video. You can download them separately, or you can download the whole set. Anyway, as you say, thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe. The choice is yours. I want to keep it that way. See you soon. Keep it friendly. Kids read the text. Bye.